What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I haven't been doing a video in a long time because I had my birthday last Monday and then I got sick, so I'll get back to the schedule as soon as possible, and we'll start doing these NIO updates on Monday and Wednesday. So let's look at NIO. So obviously it had to maintain support above that 720 level, and it was able to do that. You can see how many times price bounced off of this 720 level. So I used to believe that price, whenever it bounces off a level, it gets stronger, right, or even weaker. But what happens when price bounces off a level many times is that it just becomes more obvious. So it doesn't matter if it gets stronger or weaker. That's not really how it works. It just becomes more obvious. So again, it was a very obvious support level, and the bears failed to break it numerous times. So most likely, if price fails to do something, it's going to usually reverse in the opposite direction. So that's what's occurring right over here. So NIO saw a strong move up, and like I highlighted before, I did this green drawing in the past, where if we do see higher highs, higher lows form, that's what you'd want to see for NIO, and that's what we're getting right now. So we can go and erase that. So this is looking promising for the bulls, that NIO found support off the 720 level, is moving up higher. Tesla is moving up higher, so these electric car companies might be trading in unison. We'll have to wait and see, but as right now, it did break outside this consolidation. So we'll see if it can stay outside of it. You don't want price coming back in, kind of like we did back over here. We want to see price bouncing off the top and moving up higher. So if that does occur, I'll be looking for the gap fill at the 1030. So it does look promising. I would be expecting this to be a legit breakout and not fail. So I would be expecting higher prices. The first level would be a measure move target of the range, which would be where we are almost at, 903. And then if that succeeds, we can reach the gap fill at the 1030. So again, it's looking more likely price will move up higher in the future than lower. It's looking pretty good. Looks like bears failed to go lower to reach that measure move target towards the 480s. And we might be seeing a short squeeze take place. We'll have to wait and see. There was a pretty nasty pullback today, but the market's still up. But either way, it was a pretty big drop. So I'm expecting higher prices because of those reasons I outlined, but nothing's guaranteed. So here's a look at the weekly chart. You can see that price is getting rejected from that EMA area. So right around the 850 level, price is getting rejected at. If we can maintain support above the $8 level, like I said before, those targets become more realistic. If we just fail and collapse lower, which is looking unlikely, then where NIO is headed next, probably back to the sevens, low sevens, and maybe even break it this time. So that's all I have for NIO on the daily and weekly chart. You can see that it has collapsed basically since its all-time high, about 90%. A lot of the liquidity was sucked back out of the market. So again, someone pumped up the market all the way up to the $64 level, and then they started selling their position, selling, trapping everyone who's still holding on, and brought it right back to where the whole bubble started before. So NIO is pretty much trading at, you could say, technically fair value. This is where it was consolidating in the past, and we're still consolidating in the same price level. So just back where we started, back here in 2018 and mid 2020. So again, it's looking like we can see further upside, and we'll go from there. So this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.